The grandchildren of a firefighter who died 77 years ago are planning to take legal action this week against the FDNY. Ron Lee has more on the family's fight to get their grandfather's passing from respiratory issues recognized as a death in the line of duty.
The memorial wall at fire department headquarters bears the name of 1,200 firefighters who died in the line of duty. Captain Hans Meister is not among them. His family is going to court to change that.
He deserves to be on the wall, and I think it's really on the fire department to do the right thing. They should honor him for having made the sacrifice that he did.
Richard Meister says his grandfather worked out of Engine Company 292 on a section of Queens Boulevard, co-named the Boulevard of Bravery. Hans Meister died 77 years ago, 5 days after fighting a 5-alarm fire in Long Island City. At the time, the fire department said the death was not job-related, denying his widow a pension. But the family's attorney, Ed McCarty, says medical experts he consulted tell him the respiratory issues that Hans Meister suffered in his final days, detailed in a firehouse logbook, were a result of the heat and smoke from that massive fire.
We were unanimous in the conclusion that he died in the line of duty of a condition which is defined today but wasn't defined in 1943.
That condition being acute respiratory distress syndrome. Meister says when his family reached out to the FDNY in the 1990s, the department said it did not reverse death determinations made by a previous commissioner. But 2 years ago, they learned another family got the department to do just that for a firefighter who died in 1935.
We saw who they used as their legal counsel, and the light bulb went on. We should probably be talking to that same guy in that same firm.
So this week, Ed McCarty, a retired judge taking the case pro bono, will file a motion in Brooklyn State Supreme Court to get the FDNY to change its determination of Hans Meister's death. The family says it has no interest in his unpaid pension benefits. It just wants to see him honored.
We'd like to think that within the next 2 or 3 weeks, we get a call from the fire department saying we're going to put his name on the plaque of honor.
The FDNY tells NY1 if new information is provided, the department will review the matter, offering hope for a grandson seeking recognition for his grandfather's sacrifice. In Queens, Ron Lee, NY1.